Thanks for joining me for this weather update on what we're expecting to be a busy weather day across western New York. I'm meteorologist Chris Ruggiero. Looking for a hot and a humid day today. It'll be breezy even outside of any thunderstorms with more clouds than sun throughout the day. We are dealing with an enhanced risk of severe storms. Now that's a level 3 out of 5, not the most common thing here across western New York. That does not mean it's going to be an all-day rain event, and it doesn't mean that everyone's going to get in on the severe storms. It just means you want to be weather aware, have a way to get any warnings that are issued for your area, and have a plan in place to get you and your family to a safe spot quickly if severe weather does approach. Now the primary risks, we could see some large hail, we could see an isolated tornado or two, but those risks are fairly low. The high risk is for some strong damaging winds that could move through with any storms that do form. Now the ingredients are definitely there. We've got some hot temperatures, mid to upper 80s for afternoon highs. We're looking for 88 in Niagara Falls, Buffalo into Gowanda as well, 89 into Dunkirk. And couple that together with some high humidity and again a cold front approaching from the west, and that's what's going to get it done. Now if you think we're hot, 98 for Washington D.C., 99 for Boston. They probably think it's cool here in western New York today. We see some cooler air off to our west, and that'll filter into western New York into the first day of our new work week behind that cold front. Now looking at those dew points surging into the low 70s, again that's an oppressive air mass and leads to that instability that could help trigger some of those strong thunderstorms. But watch what happens as you could see that cold front pushing south overnight. By the time we get into Monday afternoon, those dew points much more comfortable, hanging out in the upper 50s and low 60s. So let's time it all out here on our Futurecast. This is picking up this one weather model on a few showers and storms towards the southern tier at 5 p.m. All weather models are different. They're all going to show a slightly different solution. So keep in mind, this is not going to pinpoint exactly who's going to get the showers and storms at any given time. 8 p.m. still showing most of the activity across the southern tier, but the coverage becomes a little bit more widespread as we head into the very late evening hours. And then finally overnight, a few leftover showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, but things start to settle down. By Monday evening, we're seeing much cooler temperatures in the 70s, a little bit more cloud cover than sun as we head up towards the Niagara frontier. Some tips to stay safe. Again, you could be hit by lightning miles away from a thunderstorm, so when thunder roars, please head indoors. If you do have threatening weather approaching, the safest place to be in a severe storm or a tornado warning is in an interior room away from windows and at the lowest level of your house. Now as we focus in on the 7-day forecast, looking for a much more comfortable Monday and a beautiful Tuesday, 78 degrees with some sunshine before some rain chances come back towards the end of the week.